Hey everyone, this is the most requested video. Why gesso is important, how to use gesso, which gesso is best, and is it important in decoupage art. So here is what I am going to show you in this video. Now just in case if you like this video, and I'm sure you're going to like it, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you do not miss out any of our updates. Now let's move on to gesso. So it is one of the most important part when we are doing decoupage art. So why gesso is important? It is important to prep up your base. Now here you can see that on a MDF base I am using my white color gesso and I'm going to apply this generously on my complete plate. Now if I stick my napkin directly on my nameplate, the base is brown, so we need a white color base so that my napkin color pops out really well. That's why gesso is important. Secondly, the most important thing what we need and why we need gesso is because we need to make sure on surface whichever we are working it is smooth. So here of course the base is smooth, so I didn't had to if it was a white base. But if you are working on any of the surface which is rough, which is textury, so there you can use your gesso and that will really help. Now here in this video you will see me using my sponge dauber just to make sure that I have a very smooth surface, and if you want some texture you can definitely just use your paint brushes. It is absolutely fine. Now how to use gesso, this is what you are seeing in this video and I hope it is clear. Just in case if you still have any queries, feel free to comment below and I will be more than happy to help. Now which gesso is best? To be very honest, I have tried a lot of gesso, so there are a few of the brands which I really liked, but it depends on the what kind of consistency you want to work for. Now how to dry up your gesso? So I usually use my heat gun. As you can see here in this video, I am using my heat gun to dry this up. Now how many layers of gesso do we need to do? It depends on the surfaces on which you are working. Usually if I'm working on my white color surface, like on a acrylic base or anything, just one coat of wet gesso is fine. But if I'm working on my MDF or my glass surface, this is how I do my second coat. So I'm not very sure if it's very clear, but you can see half of my base is looking like pure white and half is not looking that good. If you are unable to see that, that is definitely the problem of my video recording. But 2 coats of gesso definitely make sure that you have a good white surface. Now is it important to use gesso in decoupage art? Yes, it is very important, because sticking your decoupage napkin, your decoupage papers on any of the surface is not that easy and it might come out over the time. So gesso what does is it really binds up your supplies really well, and on glass surface, on acrylic, on plastic surfaces, using your colors, chalk paints, mediums is not that easy. It doesn't stick to it really well. That is the reason you use gesso, so that whenever you use your gesso it will really hold up all the colors. Now here you can see my plate with the gesso. It looks amazing. So, and this is the raw base what I have. So now you can see the difference, and yes, I hope it was clear. I hope I was able to answer all your queries. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Let me know your queries in the comment section, and thank you and take care and bye bye.